Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your camera on Omegle. So in order to change camera on Omegle, first you need to have multiple cameras. If you only have one webcam or just have one camera, then it's not possible to change, but if you have multi cameras then you can do that. And let me show you how you guys can do it. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to omegle.com, which is the official website of Omegle. Once you're over here, you want to go in a video chat with somebody random. So click on video over here and check mark these two boxes. Click on continue and confirm. Now once you're over here on the video chat section, you can see a little camera icon at the top of your browser over here. You want to click on this webcam icon, and then over here you can see this little manage option. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page on the setting manage page. Now once you're in the site settings, scroll a bit down and you can see this little camera option. You want to click on it. Once you do that, at the top you can see my webcam that I'm using. You can click on this little, and all the webcam you have available is going to be shown over here, and you can switch between those cameras just like this. Now I switch to OBS camera, and if I again click on this, I'm gonna go back to my webcam again just like this. So the more camera you have on your PC, the more option you'll have over here. Alright, so choose the option you want and you're done. So that's how you guys can change your camera on Omegle. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.